Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Teeter Freestep Lt3 is probably one of the most innovative fitness machines I've ever tested. It's designed to provide a low-impact, full-body workout that's easy on your joints. If you're looking for a way to stay active without the strain of traditional exercises, this could be the perfect solution. Let's dive in and see if this machine lives up to the hype and if it's the right fit for your fitness journey. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. See your workout stats on the clear 5-inch LCD display. You can also use your own device to follow iFit trainers and automatically control the treadmill. A train membership is required. Run, jog, or walk at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. It's perfect for home workouts, cardio training, and endurance building. Boost calorie burn and target more muscle groups with a 0 to 10% incline range. This feature helps to enhance your workout experience. Reduce joint impact while walking or running with the KeyFlex cushioning. This treadmill supports smoother strides and improves comfort for daily use. The folding frame makes this treadmill ideal for small spaces. When you're done, fold it and roll it away. Press the foot bar for smooth, assisted lowering. With the iFit Train membership, access over 10,000 workouts on your smart treadmill. Just press start, and the machine auto-adjusts to match the trainer's pace and terrain. Smart Adjust will scale any workout up or down based on your fitness level. A train membership is required. ActivePulse uses your Bluetooth-enabled HR monitor to keep you in the ideal heart rate zone. It automatically adjusts speed and incline for better results. A train membership is required. What we like? This machine is designed to be foldable and compact, perfect for those with limited space. It also offers iFit integration, providing access to numerous workout programs. If you are looking for a space-saving treadmill with interactive workout options, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to set up and start using. Great display that doesn't distract from your workout. I love the AUX port so I can listen to audiobooks through the speakers while I walk. It isn't overly loud, though it does make noise, and even at my age, late 40s, it doesn't hurt my knees to walk for a long period of time on the machine. I like the handles and plan to use a mobile desk option to get a little work done while on it. The base seems long enough to do that. It's sturdy and stable and takes up less room than models meant for a fitness center. For starters, very heavy, which is great honestly. The parts are definitely made to last, very high quality hardware. Surprisingly quiet, I can walk or jog at night while everyone else is sleeping, so that's a plus I didn't expect. It's a solid, full-size treadmill that offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour and inclines up to 10%, which is a great way to add intensity to walking workouts. The hydraulic lift is a nice touch that's usually only seen on much higher-end models, and it makes the treadmill easy to fold up. It's surprisingly lightweight when lifting the track. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial Studio Cycle. This cycle is powered by iFit, giving you access to thousands of workouts. You can get coaching from expert trainers, and the workouts adapt to your fitness level and goals with Smart Adjust technology. A pro subscription is required. Follow your iFit trainer on the large, rotating touchscreen with enhanced graphics and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can also easily access your workout stats and track your progress. A pro subscription is required. The flywheel is designed for incredibly smooth performance. It provides even and natural movement, making your workout more enjoyable. Experience a smooth and quiet ride with the silent magnetic resistance. You can focus on your workout without any distracting noise. Get a full body workout with the included dual 3-pound dumbbells. You can work on your upper body while you're cycling. Find the perfect riding position with the adjustable seat. You can move it both vertically and horizontally for maximum comfort. Elevate your workouts with 24 levels of digital resistance. The resistance is controlled and adjusted automatically by your iFit trainer. A pro subscription is required. What we like? It features a rotating touchscreen, allowing you to follow iFit trainers easily. The SMR magnetic resistance ensures a smooth and quiet workout. If you like immersive, interactive cycling classes and want to incorporate upper body exercises, this is a great option. What people say. The automatic resistance incline changes has worked great. The fan is also quite useful. The bike is great. We assembled it in a couple of hours, and afterward only had a few minimal adjustments to make. The seat tilted and needed readjustment and tightening, and we wanted clipless pedals, which we purchased separately and installed a couple of weeks later. Number 3. Teeter Freestep Cross Trainer, Zero Impact Exercise. This is perfect for all fitness levels. The natural stepping motion and comfortable seated position eliminate stress on your joints and back. It's a great option if you have arthritis, Parkinson's or MS. This home-use stepper has a patented natural stride, the same gentle exercise found in a PT office. You can experience the same effective exercise right in your own home. Compared to typical recumbent bikes, this aligns your joints for better muscle engagement. It puts less stress on your hips, knees, and ankles. Dual power motion works your upper and lower body, distributing muscle exertion. You'll feel like your workout is easier while engaging all major muscle groups to build strength and burn more calories. You can also isolate your legs or arms. Get results you can see and feel with the Teeter Move app. Trainers make working out fun with many classes that vary in length and experience. It's subscription-free and compatible with iOS and Android. It has 13 levels with easy grip adjustment. You can go from light to intense without skipping a beat. The handles and pedals deliver a silent, fluid ride so you can work out anytime. Quickly transition between 4 grip positions to add workout variety. It also has a 3-position recline and variable seat height to ensure the perfect posture for multi-user households. What we like? It offers zero-impact exercise, making it ideal for all fitness levels and those with joint issues. The patented physical therapy stride provides a gentle yet effective workout. If you have joint pain or are looking for a low-impact, full-body workout, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The elliptical is very smooth and quiet. The stride is very comfortable. The machine is well built and sturdy. Number 2. Stamina Folding Stepper with Monitor. This exercise unit offers a safe and effective cardio workout. It's designed to be gentle on your joints, making it suitable for various fitness levels. Easily adjust the difficulty with the resistance dial. There are 8 levels of smooth, quiet magnetic resistance to choose from. This allows you to customize your workout intensity. The stepper engages your upper body with padded, ergonomic handlebars. These handlebars offer multiple grip positions for a comprehensive cross-training experience. Connect to the Move app for personalized training. The app provides follow-along assembly instructions and custom workouts. It helps you tailor your fitness journey to your specific goals. It includes an adjustable and comfortable recumbent seat and backrest. The textured pedals and built-in wheels add to the convenience. This makes it easy to store when not in use. What we like? This stepper provides a low-impact cardio workout that's gentle on your joints. It features adjustable resistance and ergonomic handlebars for cross-training. If you want a safe and effective cardio workout that's easy on your joints, you should consider this. What people say. You can adjust the resistance of how much effort strength you need to push those pedals. It came pre-assembled and it took only 15 minutes to put together. It's also compact enough to use in small areas. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Elite Recumbent Cross Trainer. This recumbent cross trainer from Sunny Health and Fitness is designed for a full-body workout. It combines the benefits of an elliptical and a recumbent bike, offering a low-impact exercise experience. Enjoy access to the Sunny Fit app with no membership fees. You can explore trainer-led workouts, virtual scenic tours, and track your progress. It's a great way to stay motivated and engaged. With 16 levels of electromagnetic resistance, you can customize your workout intensity. Whether you want a challenging full-body workout or a low-impact recovery session, it has you covered. Choose from 12 pre-programmed elliptical workouts or create your own. You can also create up to 4 unique user programs for a personalized workout experience. This allows you to tailor your exercise to your specific needs. It's designed to protect your joints while still challenging yourself. This machine allows you to improve cardiovascular health and build strength without putting excessive stress on your body. Work various muscle groups in both your upper and lower body. You can use the movable handles and foot pedals simultaneously for a comprehensive workout. Alternatively, use them independently for targeted muscle engagement. The design provides a simple, hassle-free transition. With minimal obstruction, you can easily step through and sit down safely before starting your workout. This makes it accessible for users of all abilities. What we like? This machine offers a free connected app with trainer-led workouts and virtual tours. It features electromagnetic resistance for customizable workout intensity. If you are looking for a recumbent elliptical with a variety of workout options and app integration, you should consider this. What people say. I think this equipment is very well designed and made, and documented. It still rides very smooth and quiet. All parts were labeled well, and the instructions were easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.